Here's that Valley Skycam, part of the First Alert Skycam network, as we look out over parts of western Minnesota and more ahead. Some high clouds out there, but that is all. The main weather concern as we head into the evening has been the winds throughout the day. Not much coming from the clouds, and here is a look at those winds. The gusts right now are peaking right here in the central Red River Valley. We have gusts over 40 miles per hour at times. Right now, 39 miles per hour. We've managed to stay out of the 50 mile per hour range, but it has been windy across eastern North Dakota. And now, as we head into the evening, into the valley. Many locations, though, with wind speeds sustained at 15 to 20 miles per hour across the region. The peak wind gusts today in the 40 mile per hour range across our area. 34 degrees right now out at Hector, and at Moorhead's Airport we have a temperature of 36. Winds gusting, as mentioned, 39 miles per hour. That makes it feel a little cooler. A glance at temperatures across our area. The warmest weather south and west of Fargo, where it's 39 in Gwinner, and everyone in western portions of Minnesota enjoying 30s as well. Take a look at this cloud cover. It's making its way over the top of Winnipeg, down over the top of the Twin Cities. That's a ridge of high pressure. It continues to build in. Stormy weather on the right coast as we look across there at the mid-Atlantic states. Rain, sleet, and snow. And then as we move to the left, we see another system there. The nation's midsection, though, where we are very quiet. And your hour-by-hour forecast shows Hutch's yellow arrows. That means gusty winds. And they are not going anywhere as we set things into motion this evening. So it's certainly going to continue to be breezy. But here's what those winds do. They stir up the lower atmosphere, making it slower to cool. And the fact that they're coming from the south, well, it looks like steady temperatures for our evening. A few clouds of the high variety passing through as we go through the overnight hours. But it will be those winds that keep those clear skies from allowing us to cool off too low. We're going to see temperatures from 25 to 35 degrees to start our day from north to south. Cooler north. As we go through our Saturday morning, the south winds will decrease. It looks absolutely awesome. For the first half of our day into the early afternoon, we'll have breezy conditions in Lakes Country with the blue arrows indicating about 15 mile per hour winds, but the rest of us extremely quiet, temperatures soaring to near 40 as we go through midday. In the afternoon, 40 to 45 as we look down in our southern counties. That's where the warmth will be. Hey, it's not going to be cold up north, but we'll see an increase in cloud cover late in the day on our Saturday as we wrap things up, with temperatures just outstanding across the area. Here's your planner in Fargo. Rise and shine near 30, sunny and 35 for the first half of the morning. And then as we go into the afternoon, we'll see a couple more clouds starting to develop. Your temperature peaks in the mid-40s here in Fargo. The evening looks delightful as well as those clouds continue to build southward from our northern counties. Taking a look at your hometown forecast, notice a little pocket of blue here. It will be subtly cooler, but we're still talking mid to upper 30s for you. A little bit more of a northeasterly wind. That's why you'll stay cooler as well as the cloud cover gets to you first. For the rest of us down south where you see the green hues, 40 to maybe even close to 50 in the far south. What a beautiful morning to walk the dog out there. Puppy walking will be great this weekend, although our paws may get a little bit muddy, so wipe them off before you come back in the house. Temperatures overnight will stay near freezing in Fargo on your Sunday morning. Those clouds from the north will be moving south throughout the day. Sunday will be a day of transition. Our northern counties significantly cooler than our southern ones. 39 here in Fargo. It will be windy, and those winds will be from the north late in the day. So Saturday late into Sunday, transition happens. Look at Monday. Wow, we really cool things off, Andrea. Into the teens for highs, single-digit morning lows, even on Tuesday morning. But Tuesday, we start a trend, and I don't know if you noticed, but we go from the teens back into the 40s again. Highs in the 40s. Melt a lot of snow very quickly. Good thing about this wind, I just wanted to point out real quickly, is when the wind blows over a melted puddle of water, it helps evaporate and carry that moisture out of here, which does help, even if in a small way, our flooding concerns. So more warm, dry, slow melting weather is ideal. That's what I say.
And I always notice when the temp goes up. Always.
You do notice that. I recognize that.
Yeah. Thank you.
You bet.